Okay, beta. So today we are going to start class 3 subject next chapter fraction revision work. Okay, but in the form of MCQs. In the form of MCQs we are going to start. Okay, so Pushkar, this is your turn to read the question.
Okay, ma'am. Is the numerator is the given in the given fraction 5?
So first of all, beta,
5.8.
you have to tell me that what is given in the question before telling me the answer. Before telling me the correct option, you are going to tell me what is the meaning of the question. Okay, and all the students, you all listen it very carefully because you all are going to explain the question. Then you are going to give me the answer. Yes.
Ma'am, it's meaning कि numerator बताओ given fraction में 5.8.
Okay. And here the fraction is?
Ma'am, fraction 5.8.
0.8? 5 upon 8. It's 5 upon 8. Okay, this is the correct way of reading a fraction. Okay, 5 upon 8. So what will be the fraction?
5 upon 8.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is 5. 5 is the numerator in the given fraction.
Very
5
good.
upon 8.
Very good. So here your answer is 5. Okay, so ma'am is going to write down the correct option. Give me a second. Okay, so here the correct option is 5. So we can write down 5 over here. Okay, and ma'am is going to use this. Okay, this is the correct option. Okay, now next one is beta, you are also writing down your correct option in the fill-ups also. Okay, because by both the this particular question you are having the practice for the fill-ups and the MCQ, both type of practice you are having right now. Okay, so your answer will be 5. Okay. Yes, so ma'am is going to raise the size over here. Okay, I think it is clear. It is clear. So now you can mute, beta. This time, ye Renu Sharma. Beta, Renu Sharma. Who is this Renu Sharma? Quickly change your name. I think Yash is there. Yash, otherwise ma'am is going to put your absent mark. Quickly change your name and keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Yes. And here, Avyana, unmute yourself, Avyana.
Yes, ma'am. Fraction with numerator 8 and denominator 9 is.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. What is the question?
Ma'am, fraction में 8
numerator. Yes.
Numerator.
Yes.
Numerator 8 है and denominator 9 है.
Denominator is 9. So you have to tell the what will be the fraction. If numerator is 8 and denominator is 9, so what will be the fraction? So can you tell me?
Yes, 5 upon 9.
5 upon 9. But 9. The numerator here is 8. But the numerator is 8.
Ma'am, 8 upon 9.
8 upon 9. So beta, take care of your answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Think before you speak, because you have just told to me that the answer will be 5 upon 9. So that answer will be wrong. Yes or no? So you must remember what you are speaking. Always take care. Okay. So now this time, can you tell me the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 8 upon 9.
Yes. This is the correct option, 8 upon 9. And we can also write down the answer as 8 upon 9. I hope it is clear. Okay, so now Avyana, you can mute. God bless you, beta. Avyana, you can mute. And this time, Kavi, unmute yourself. Kavi, quickly unmute.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Very nice. So next question. Next question.
Ma'am, fourth question.
Beta, if you are listening to ma'am, so you must know what question is going on. Yes.
Ma'am, third.
Yes. So now tell me.
Ma'am, dash
Halves. This is known as halves.
halves make a whole.
Yes. So it does. What does it mean? What does it mean? Dash halves make a whole. मतलब कितने halves? कितने halves एक complete whole बनाएंगे? जी.
Ma'am, 2.
Very good. Very good. So your answer is? So correct
2.
answer is 2. Very good. And we can also write down the same in the fill-ups also. Okay. So here ma'am is going to.
Ma'am,
Yes.
हमें इसे notebook में भी करना है.
No, beta, no. Ma'am will send the same practice sheet through the WhatsApp and you are going to write down. You are going to write down in your maths notebook after the class as your homework. Okay. Again going to repeat, but not in the class. You are just read the question and tell me the answer here only. Okay. Okay, beta. So now you can mute. Kavi, you can mute and ma'am is going to clear all the drawings and ma'am is going to move to the next page. Next question here. The next question is question number 4. Yes. So who is going to give me the answer of this particular question? Ekansh, can you tell me the answer, Ekansh? Yes. Read the question carefully. Yes, quickly read the question.
For the fraction for unshaded part in the given picture is
Yes.
2/4.
What is the question? What is the
The
question?
fraction for unshaded part in
Means-
the given picture is.
Means what? You have to tell the which fraction?
For unshaded part in the
Unshaded parts. Okay. So here it is clear that you have to tell the unshaded part and here the unshaded part. Unshaded parts are, jaldi bataiye, unshaded parts are this one and this one. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And the total parts are
4.
4. So that's why what will be our fraction? What will be our fraction?
2/4.
Very nice. So here your answer will be 2/4. And it means which option we are going to select? Which option we are going to select? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. C, ma'am.
Third one. Very nice. Very nice. So now again, ma'am is going to clear all the drawings and we are moving to the next question. Now, Ekansh, you can mute. Ekansh, you can mute. Vanshika, unmute yourself. Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Read.
Raj had 24 toffees. He had given 1/2 to his friend. How many toffees did he give to his friend?
Yes. So what is the question?
मैम राज के पास 24 टॉफीज है.
Exactly.
उसने
Okay.
1/2 टॉफीज उसके फ्रेंड को दे दी.
Very
अब
nice.
उसके पास टॉफीज बची.
Yes.
Sorry.
So can you tell me the number of toffees left with him? Yes. देखो total toffees was 24. Yes or no? Vanshika, total toffees, number of total toffees 24.
24.
Okay, and he gave 1/2. 1/2 means what? 1/2 means what?
मैम
Yes.
1.
1/2. 1/2, beta. 1/2 means 1/2 means आधी, half. Okay. 1/2. 1/2 लिखते हैं ना हम half के लिए. So it means he gave 1/2 of the toffees to his friend. So can you tell me what will be the half of 24? 1/2 of 24. Yes. जल्दी से करिए half. Yes.
Ma'am, when we will multiply 24 by 2,
1 upon 2. 1 upon 2.
24
Yes.
upon 2, the half of 24 is 12.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, so the answer is 12 toffees.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. So here, which option is correct? Which option is
Ma'am,
correct?
third one.
Third one, 12 toffees. Okay, very nice. So here we can write down our answer as 12 toffees. 12 toffees will be the correct option. Okay. Okay, beta. So now you can mute. Now you can mute. Kavi, rotate your camera. You are not visible. Okay, Razel, unmute yourself. Yes, Razel. Yes, next one.
The fraction 3/4 is
Written as?
Ma'am, third.
Yes, very good. The third option is correct. Okay, so we can take over here and we can also write down 3 upon 4. How we are going to read it?
And 3 upon 4.
Yes, 3 upon 4. Very good. So now you can mute. Now you can mute. Ahan, unmute yourself. Ahan. Next. Ahan, unmute first of all. Before reading the question, you have to unmute. I think some network issues from Ahan's side. So by the time I'm is going to take, yes, Anmol, unmute yourself. Ji beta.
Fraction in
One second, beta, 1 second. I think your network issue is resolved. So Anmol, you have to wait for one question. Okay. Yes, Ahan. Ji beta.
Write the fraction in word 7 upon 9.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, fourth.
Yes.
Answer is fourth. 7 upon 9.
No, not 7 upon 9. Means 7 or 9 option is correct. No, that is wrong. And beta, one more option is correct, but here the spelling is wrong. So you all have to recorrect the spelling. Okay, ma'am is just going to cross the wrong word. 1 second. Okay. So give me a second. Suppose ma'am is going to change the color and ma'am is going to cross this particular word. This, because the spelling for the 9th is N-I-N-T-H, not E. N-I-N-T-H. Okay, beta, you have to skip this particular word. Now the correct option is 7/9. Is it clear, Ahan? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So here the correct option is, tell me fast.
7/9.
7/9, because the denominator we are going to write down with the help of ordinal number. So what will be the ordinal number for 9? Yes. What will be the ordinal number for 9? Tell me. Yes, Ahan, what happened?
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9. Ma'am is asking about the ordinal number. Ordinal number for 9 is 9. 9. Very good. And what is the spelling for the 9s?
N-I-N-T-H-S.
Very good. Okay, you have to skip this particular word E that was given. Okay, Now ma'am is going to clear all the drawings. Now you can mute Ahan. Yes, Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Question number 8.
What fraction of your national flag is orange?
Yes.
Ma'am, 1/3.
1/3 because the total colors are 3 and orange is one of that particular part. Okay, so here we can put the correct option as 1/3, and we can also write down the same as in the fill up also, 1/3. Okay beta, it is
Okay, ma'am.
clear? Very nice. So now you can mute, and here we are going to start with one question from, yes, Ishita, unmute yourself. Ishita. And Ishita, rotate your camera also so that you completely visible to ma'am. Rotate your camera. Yes. Okay. Now the next question. Next question.
Okay. 12 multiplied by dash is equal to 16.
60. Yes.
60.
So what will be the answer?
Ma'am.
You know the table of 12? You
Yes,
know that?
ma'am.
Yes, very good.
12 to the 20, 26.
No, it means you don't know the table.
Ma'am, 24. 24.
Yes. Yes.
मैम हम थोड़ा सा ना गलत बोल देते हैं, वैसे हमें आता है.
Okay.
12 3 is 36.
Very
12
good.
4 is 48.
Very good.
12 5 is 60.
Yes. So it
Ma'am,
means
5.
yes, your
Five.
correct option is 5. Or
Five.
and we can also write down the answer in the fill ups also. Okay. Yes, very
Yeah.
good. So now you can mute. Now you can mute. So here the last option is here. Parth, can you tell me the last option? Yes, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
God bless you, beta.
Ma'am, 13 zeros are 0.
13 zeros are 0. Ekansh, very nice. Some students are showing their hands movement for telling me the answer. That's very nice. So here we can write down 13 zeros are 0. So what will be my correct option? Yes, that will be third one.
Third.
Very good. Very good, beta. Very nice. So here students, our revision sheet is completed over here. And now we are going to move to the next concept. Okay.